Sony always has plenty of headphones at CES, but this year it seems to be all about true wireless. Go figure, right? These are the WF SP700N, although we've been calling them the WF Spoon because that's what it looks like on the little card here. They're pretty cool looking and they have some very cool features. One of those being they have noise canceling and water resistance. Now Sony claims these are the first headphones of their kind to be true wireless, have the noise canceling and the wireless resistance. You can see it flips up like that in the little charging case, and here they are. Kind of cute looking. They look a little bit odd in, but we can tell you that putting them in, they actually fit quite well. This little guy folds up right under your ear, and they stick very nicely, so they're going to be great for working out. That's exactly what they're designed for. Now, besides the noise canceling, they have a few other cool features, and the waterproofing, I should say. They have NFC connection here for those with NFC phones. You can just tap them to connect. And they also have Google Assistant coming. It's not going to be here right away, but it should be there not too long after they launch. They're going to be priced pretty competitively at $180, which is just $30 above Apple's massively popular AirPods. And for those looking for something to work out in, these might just be your best bet. One thing we don't like about them, of course, is they only have 3 hours of battery life, and I believe it's about 9 hours total with the charging case. That's not great, but if you just need something to work out, these might be the headphones for you. We listened to them and they sound pretty nice. They're punchy, there's a lot of bass, and it's kind of a clear and sort of slappy high end. It's got clarity up there and plenty of detail as far as we could tell, though we are on this very noisy show floor, and the noise canceling works pretty well. Those looking for true wireless earbuds who don't mind spending a little bit more for something more sporty, and you don't mind a little bit less battery life, you should check out the Sony WF SP700N.